We're putting the walls back together. Spray foam's in. Now we're putting the metal panels back. They are structural, so we're putting them back with rivets. And there are some that don't fit exactly, and that's okay. I got a 13/64 bit here, so it's 1/64 over what the rivet's supposed to be, and I just did that so to ease it a little bit. It's not going to lose any structural, in my opinion. I'm no engineer, but anyway. So takes a bunch of vectors, provided we got the rivet out. That one's going, I don't know what's going on. 3/16 rivets, 1/2 inch long. 1/2 inch reach. We're using aluminum rivets.